Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just launched a website, blog, Shopify store, or YouTube channel, and you're struggling to get visitors, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you Somiibo, a free automation tool that can help you increase your online presence and potentially drive more traffic to your website through supported social media automation. In this video, you'll learn what Somiibo is, its benefits, how to download it, how to install and set it up, how to start using it safely. So let's get started. Somiibo is a desktop automation platform that provides modules for certain social media platforms. Depending on the available modules, it can automate repetitive actions such as engagement or account activity. Many creators and marketers use it to save time on repetitive tasks. However, remember that automated activity may violate the terms of service of some platforms. Always use automation responsibly and understand the risks before using it. Here are some advantages of Somiibo. Free to download, easy to install multiple automation modules. Saves time on repetitive tasks, can help increase online visibility when used responsibly. Simple interface suitable for beginners. If you're promoting a blog, affiliate website, online store, or YouTube channel, tools like this can reduce manual work. But they are not a substitute for creating quality content. Now let's download Somiibo. Step 1. Open your browser. Step 2. Go to the official Somiibo website. Step 3. Click the download button. Step 4. Choose the version for your operating system. Step 5. Wait for the download to complete. Always download software from the official website to avoid malware or modified versions. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Choose the installation folder. Click Install. After installation, launch Somiibo. If prompted, create an account or sign in. Inside the dashboard, you'll see the available automation modules. Select the module you want to use and follow its setup instructions. Before running any automation, read the settings carefully. Start with conservative settings. Avoid aggressive automation that could trigger platform restrictions. Monitor the results instead of leaving it running continuously. Taking a cautious approach is generally safer than trying to automate everything at once. Once your module is configured, click Start. Monitor the activity for a few minutes. Check that everything is working correctly. Over time, review your analytics to see whether your website traffic or engagement is improving. Remember, tools can help with efficiency, but sustainable growth comes from useful content, SEO, and genuine audience engagement. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave your questions in the comments, subscribe for more tutorials on free website traffic, SEO, AI tools, digital marketing, and online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.